Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news, as Kaizer Chiefs are said to be interested in signing Rivaldo Coetzee. Make sure to smash a like, get your thoughts in down on the comment section, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Well, I thought we were done in the transfer market. I thought our business in the transfer window was done. We're no longer going to sign more players. Of course, the transfer window only closes on the 22nd of September. So there's still a lot of time, still a lot of business to be made, and Kaizer Chiefs are said to be interested in signing former Mamelodi Sundowns player Rivaldo Coetzee, who's a free agent, of course. I like Rivaldo Coetzee as a player. I think he's a really, really good player. Versatile, can play as a defensive midfielder, can play as a centre back. Very, very good defensively. Interception, hardly tackles, hardly goes down. He's very, very good. His timing is perfect. Aerially, he's also good, despite him not being the tallest. Also on the ball, technically very, very good. That's why he was moved to play as a central defensive midfielder at Mamelodi Sundowns. So he's a really, really good player. I love him, but we all know the problem with Rivaldo Coetzee, and that is he can't stay fit. He's struggling with injuries. He's not reliable. If I may put it that way, he is not reliable at all. He has missed a lot of games for Mamelodi Sundowns. I have his numbers here. Let me check them up real quickly. In 7 seasons, he played 133 games. He missed 260 games. He played 7 seasons at Mamelodi Sundowns, and on average, he played 19 games per season. The most number of matches he played in a season was 21, and that was during the 2020-21 season. So from these numbers, you can see that he is a player who's going to miss a lot of games, and if he can't stay fit at a team like Mamelodi Sundowns, where there are a lot of players, they can easily rotate him, What more at Kaizer Chiefs? Because I think Rivaldo Coetzee should be starting at Kaizer Chiefs based on his ability. I think he's a better midfielder than Sibongiseni Mthethwa. I think he's a better centre back than Miguel Zitakwinika. So he should be starting at Kaizer Chiefs. But based on his injury history, I don't think he's a reliable player, But I don't know, because there's always this feeling about Rivaldo Coetzee going into a new season. There's like, okay, maybe this season is going to be better. Then 5 games in, boom, he's out, injured for 2 months. Comes back, plays 3 games, goes out injured. So I like Rivaldo Coetzee as a player, but I don't think this is a signing we should be making, But if Kaizer Chiefs decide to sign Rivaldo Coetzee, I will understand where they are coming from, and I will back the player, obviously. As I've said, I love him as a player. He's a really, really good player, But injuries are his worst nightmare, Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm out.